Lately, every app under the sun has added transcription features, leaving me wondering which ones actually make a creator's life easier. To find out, I put a real podcast episode with complex accents and niche terminology through the ringer. Google Recorder and mobile tools are fantastic for quick, searchable notes, but they simply lack the depth for professional editing. Otter is a powerhouse for business meetings, but it often trips over niche jargon and isn't built for video clip production. Adobe Premiere has made huge strides, making it the perfect choice if you're already doing heavy-duty video assembly. Descript occupies a brilliant sweet spot, offering an intuitive, text-based editing experience that feels incredibly fast. Audiate is a solid contender for documentation and training creators, though it misses some of the social media-specific bells and whistles. Riverside remains my top pick for remote capture, especially because it gives you high-quality local audio files for every guest. For the budget-conscious, whisper-based local apps offer incredible accuracy for free, provided you're okay with a bit of a manual setup. Hackier methods like Audio Hijack are clever, but honestly, they become tedious when you're managing long-form content. The real problem for us isn't just transcription. It's the endless grind of finding highlights and posting them consistently. That is exactly where Vizard changes the game, because it is built to automate the entire clipping and publishing pipeline. Vizard automatically hunts for high engagement moments in your long videos, turning them into shareable clips instantly. Plus, the built-in scheduling means you can finally stop manually babysitting your uploads to every single platform. With a central content calendar, you can manage your entire distribution strategy from one single dashboard. While it won't replace a human editor for a cinematic, multi-track masterpiece, it is light years ahead for social scaling. My ultimate workflow now combines the capture quality of Riverside with the editing precision of Descript and the distribution power of Vizard. If you are tired of hiring a massive team just to get your content out there, Vizard acts as a force multiplier for your brand. I'm Chris Chinchilla, and I'd love to hear your workflow hacks, so please drop a comment and let's keep this conversation going.